Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a quick hardware sweep. Do it now. Unplug and reseat each cable to ensure a solid connection, because loose cables are the most common failure. Verify which ports you use, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, and swap adapters if unsure. Once done, power both displays and open display settings. Use Windows plus P to cycle modes. This confirms whether the OS sees both monitors. If one remains dark, switch inputs on the monitor and retry the cable to rule out a bad port. Now you configure the core software and drivers that manage multiple displays. Open display settings to assign primary and secondary screens, adjust resolution to native values, and choose extend versus duplicate. Next, update your graphics driver, use Device Manager or the vendor utility, because outdated drivers often break detection. If problems persist, swap cables or boot with only one monitor attached. That isolates whether the issue is the GPU port or the monitor itself. Make incremental changes and reboot. Finish by fine-tuning display settings and verifying stability. Set scaling, color profile, and refresh rate to match the monitor's spec so UI elements look correct. If a monitor behaves strangely, perform a factory reset using its OSD menu, then power cycle everything. Make sure cables are not damaged and connectors are clean. Quick troubleshooting tip. If after all steps a display still won't appear, test that monitor on another computer. If it fails there, the monitor is likely at fault. Otherwise, focus on your GPU.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.